Okay, so here we are. We have another one. This one was given to me, and I'm hoping that we can salvage something from these two and make one good one. If you haven't watched my previous video on this, it's click the link and you'll be able to see it. At the end of the video for this one, we determined that the transformer was faulty. We're going to power this one up, see if it works, and then if not, we'll try and troubleshoot this one, and then hopefully the transformer's working in this, and we'll take it out, we'll put it in this one, and we'll see if this one starts working. Let's put some batteries in first, let's test, and we'll see, and we'll go from there. Put the sound on. Oh wow, it's working. Okay, start. Don't know how much of that you can see. Okay, switch that off. Okay, so that's a lot further than I was expecting. I didn't actually think this one was going to work. I had been told that it was faulty. Well, that's brilliant. So we know that the transformer in here is good. So let's take it out, move it over to this one. Let's see if this one starts working. Right, okay, we'll just apply some flux on these pins. And a little bit of extra solder just to make it easier to remove. This solder's probably never been removed in probably 40 years, or since it was built, who knows. So we just help it along a little bit by adding a little bit extra. It's a bit counterintuitive, but it does actually work. Okay, just get the desoldering tool, and it's actually making a really good job of these. Right, so this is the one from the new machine. So let's match up the arrows and get it soldered in. Okay, just solder on one leg just to keep it in position, and then we'll apply solder to each of the legs as we go. Right, just a spot of IPA there, and let's clean it up. Okay, that looks good. Right, moment of truth. Well, it did something. I can hear a noise coming from it. I wonder if I've forgotten to solder some part of this. SO9 here is a different diode from the non-working one. So I wonder if I can take that one across there and test that. We got something on the screen, so there's a good chance that the screen is okay. That's a positive sign. So let's take this and put it in place with this one, and then try that. batteries in and let's try it again. Nothing. The two transistors are getting hot as well as the IC. I hope we haven't blown that up. That's getting hot as well. That's getting hot. Okay, let's take this, put it back in here, just make sure we haven't destroyed it. Moment of truth, let's hope this hasn't been damaged. Yes. Right, that's a relief. This was getting really hot in the other unit, as was this, the sound IC, and this transistor, so there's obviously still something wrong with the other one. I thought just putting this into it would fix the other one. I think there's something else still there. I think taking this out was maybe a bit of a red herring. We know this one's working. What would be good to do would be to take the TX30 from the faulty one and put it in here and test it. Let's do that now. So this is the one from the old one. So let's put this in and let's see if this one works. Okay, here we are. Come down just a little bit. If this works, then we know that this is okay. And it's something else on the other board that's faulty. So let's give it a go. There we are. Okay. So I believe there's something else still shorted on this board, and I suspect it's the sound chip because it does get very, very hot. Having said that, the transistor gets hot as well, and this was getting hot when the one from the other board was in here. It was getting hot as well, so that wasn't a good sign, so I switched that off straight away. So start. Oh God, it's loud. Right, so none of these controls are working here. So let's see if we can fix that. but we know these work. It will give it a bit of a clean up. Still can't go right. Oh yeah, we can. So can't fire. I'm going to be a bit lazy, and I'm just going to take this one out here. Let's just sound off. Yeah, there you go. I'm pretty sure that this just needs a good clean, and that would fix it right up. I want to get the voltages from here when it's running so that we can compare with some of the units from some of the other machines to see if these are interchangeable between the two. So let's do that now. Okay, so starting at the top, minus 38.7, minus 38.7, minus 38.7, minus 5.2, ground, 0, minus 5.1, minus 5.1, minus 38, minus 38. Okay, hopefully that helps somebody if they're trying to troubleshoot their one. So this one is going on to here, and this one to there. Okay, so I think in the future we will do another video with taking that sound IC off, but for now we're just going to leave it. We've got one working, so quite happy with that. When I get a bit more time, I'll probably look at doing a final video to see if that is the fault and to see if we can fix it. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.